Hi guys, this is Mr. Holding here, and this video is just very quickly to help you interpret Punnett squares. So we're just going to have a look at this very simple one here. And I suppose the important thing is to think about there's two different things we're going to look at, the genotype and the phenotype. So genotype is the genetic coding, as we already know, and the phenotype is what it actually looks like. Now, it's possible to have different genotypes but have the same phenotype. Okay, and we'll talk about that now. Okay, so first of all, when we do this, we want to analyze the results. Okay, so we've ended up with got 4 squares here, crossed mum and dad, and we end up with percentage of BB is 1 out of 4. The percentage of big B, little b is 2 out of 4, and homozygous recessive little b is 1 out of 4. Okay, and very quickly, that's 25%. We know that's 50%, and that is 25%. Okay, these are known as the genotypic ratio. T/P. The genotypic ratios, okay, because these are the genotypes here. However, that's different to the phenotype because, as we know, this is a dominant gene, denoted by the fact that it's a capital, these two here code for the same thing. They may have a different coding, but they show the same thing. So if we say it's eye color, dominant brown and recessive blue, these two guys would be brown, and this guy would be blue. Okay, so we end up with a different situation. So the phenotypic ratio brown equals 2 out of 4, and 1 out of 4 gives us 3 out of 4, and then blue we're left with 1 out of 4. Now if we convert them to percentages, we get 75% chance of having a brown-eyed child and a 25% chance of a blue-eyed child. Okay, so this here is my phenotypic ratio, and this is my genotypic ratio. Okay, so the genotypic ratio is the genotype. Okay, refers to those. The phenotype is what traits are actually going to say. So we could say that with these two parents here, they have a 75% chance of having a brown-eyed child, a 25% chance of having a blue-eyed child. So it's important to know the distinction there. It can be more complex, but it's as basic as that. You just need to think through it. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful.